Hey, what's up, Benchwarmer fans? Tony here for another box break of Benchwarmer. This is Benchwarmer 2007, and April Scott on the front cover. We're looking for three autographs. Two autographs from the set, and then there's a bonus autograph which either will be a schoolgirl auto or a holiday auto. Alright, let's get started because there's 24 packs. So wish me luck. I think there might be a box topper too. Yep, and we got a good box topper. We got Sarah Underwood. So that's cool. 3 of 5. Here's all our little packs. Alright, wish me luck. 5 cards per pack. Alright, you got, let me focus this. Got base, 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 and an Amber Hay boot camp. Alright, base, base, and we got Sunset Tan, Dana Workman. It's a high card. 84 is set is 2 of 8. And base and another boot camp, Amanda Carrier. Base, boot camp of Jen Sibley, base, base, and boot camp of Tamara Whitmer. Those boot camp cards are not foil cards. Got base, 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 and base. Got base, bootcamp of Lori Milan. Got Perfect Angels insert, Christy Hemme. 2 of 10. Bootcamp and base and base. Base, base. Oh, here's our first autograph. It is Rena Monet. Cool card. 17 out of the set of 24. So there's our first hit. And then base and base. Base, base. Oh, we got this Mary Riley foil card. There's Something About Mary. Pretty cool. 6 of 8. Bootcamp of Jennifer Corbin and base card. Got base, 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 and base. Bootcamp of Laura Lynn Peterson, base, 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 and base. I think those boot camps are just part of the base card set. Alright. Base, 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 and base. Got base, 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 and base. Still looking for 2 autographs. Got base, base. Got another Perfect Angels, Lori Milan. In the back there's a team picture of them. And got base and base. Base, 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 and base. Got base, And these boot camps, I think they're base cards. Yeah, they're base cards. Got another of these Mary Riley. It's actually the same card. So we got two of these. They're the same. Yep, both the same. Base, base. Got base, 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 and base. Got base, base. We got another Perfect Angels. Danny Armstrong. 10 of 10. Base and base. Base, 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 and base. Still looking for 2 hits, 2 autographs. 2 more autographs. Got base, base. You got another Sunset Tams Keely Williams. 4 of 8. And base and base. Well, we got something here. We got something in the sleeve. We got a Kiss card. We got a Heather Tyndall Kiss card. This sleeve is all torn up, so I'll just get rid of it. But there it is. Heather Tyndall Kiss card. 13 of 16. Cool. And base, base, and base. Alright, so we got an autograph. We got a Kiss card. And we're still looking for 2 more autographs. Base, base. Oh, here's our Schoolgirls auto. Tanea Brooks. Cool. 7 of 8. Awesome. And base and base. So we're still looking for 1 more autograph. Got the cover girl April Scott. And all base cards. Base, base. And here's our our second autograph, or third autograph. It's a nice one. It's a number card 29 out of 100 of April Scott, the cover girl. Awesome. And it's 1 of 24, so it's the first one of the set. Pretty cool. Base and base. Got 2 more packs. I'll probably do a recap, do a quick recap of this for those who just want to go straight to the recap. All base cards here, and our last pack. Base, base, and we got an All-American of Brandy McLaren. So only got 1 of these. And base and base. So there you have it. Alright, thanks for watching YouTube.